My mother is a housewife, Sujita Dev, and I have two kids. Kaivalya is elder one and Chinmay is younger. My primary education to high school is done in Nagpur only, that is from Parichay school. After 10th of passing in 2000, year 2000 Y2K, I went to Sri Dattamagi Polytechnic and did diploma in mechanical engineering from there. In 2003, I passed out from SDMP and direct secondary admission to graduation and did my graduation in mechanical engineering from Raisoni College of Engineering. In 2006, when I passed out from the Raisoni College, I have been selected as a truck radial consultant for Apollo Tyres Limited and worked there for 2 years. In 2008, I left the company and started my own business in the name of Om Automobiles, and we are authorized dealer for many tire brands. Like I earlier also said, we discussed it for Apollo, Bridgestone and Yokohama. Yokohama and Bridgestone are the multinationals. Apollo is an Indian company, and we do services like tire changing, wheel balancing, wheel alignment. These are our products. We also deal in lubricants and filters for automotive sector. So tires, lubes and filters is our basic products where we deal. These are the products we deal: tires, services, lubricants, filters, wipers, perfumes and microfiber cloths and products are just added. So these comes into accessories of car accessories sector. These are some photographs of what we offer in the services: tire changing, wheel balancing and wheel alignment. These are very crucial for your car because your tire life depends on these services only. So whatever you pay for your tire is the second most expensive thing after fuel. If you are running a car, all of us are running a car or a two-wheeler also, tire is the second most expensive after fuel. Services we do: changing, balancing, wheel alignment, nitrogen inflation. Nitrogen is coming more and more popular nowadays as the global warming is helping us to reduce the tire life as well as increasing the heat. Nitrogen is an inert gas which is extracted from compressed air only, and it keeps your tires cool because there is no any water vapor and dust with that. So though there is an effect of temperature, but it doesn't increase in proportionate like compressed air. So nitrogen is getting very popular. Tubeless repairs we do, oil and lubricants change and battery charging. We are situated at, this is our address, that is 52 Rajiv Yogi Building, Shastri Layout, Hingna Road, which is exactly below the Subhash Nagar Metro Station. And our second shop is at 111 College Complex, Khamala Road, Nagpur. Our vision is to give best tire service provided, to be a best tire service provider at a reasonable price. My circle of influence is my friends, where I get maximum references. We get it from my friends, and I'm a regular member for last 5 years with the Rotary International. So it is also my circle of influence.